Hello, in this video I want to show you how to start a new Revit environment, and in this video I'll be using Revit 2021. As you can see, I have Revit 2021 here. I also have Revit 2015 here, but for the purpose of this tutorial I'm going to be using Revit 2021. I believe this is the latest version of Revit, so whatever version you have, this one should be able to encompass it. All right, so how are we going to open this Revit? There are two ways you can open any application like this. You either right click on it, on the icon, and click open, or you double click and it will launch the application. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, so it has loaded and here we are. If you have never worked on any project in your system, you may not have all these. So you may have default samples and others. So if you want to start a new project now, a new Revit environment that have not been used before, you are going to go to models, then you are going to hit new, then you are going to hit browse, and you go to the default, you go to the drop down here, then you are going to go to Revit 2021 and you are going to go to templates. You double click and I am going to go to English. Let me go to English. Then I'm going to select any of these will work. So I prefer to use this and hit open. Then I'll click OK. All right, here we are. So this is a new environment now, and make sure that the environment you have opened have these elevation views. These are what gives you your elevations. It is very important. If it does not have this, then something is wrong somewhere. So make sure it has all these views. And if you want to hide this one, you can use this to hide it. Okay, so this is our new Revit environment. We can move these ones around. Sorry, undo that. We can move it around. Let me move it. Okay, I cannot see it because it has been cropped, so I'm going to uncrop that area. I hit here to uncrop it, so I can move it around. Okay, so all the drawing you'll be doing will be within this area, so that you will be able to view your front elevation, your right elevation, your rear view, and left side elevation. Make sure all the drawings you are doing is within this center. Okay, so after you have done that, the next thing is to set your walls, to load your windows, your doors, and all other settings. And this is because when you don't have an existing project, but if you have an existing project, then you simply use that existing project. Like one of the video before that I created before, you can use an existing project, you just delete it and start your drawing. But in case you don't have any existing project, then this is how you get started with your Revit. You set your wall. I have taught you how to set your wall before. so I'm not going to go into that now. The purpose of this video is to teach you how to get started with your Revit environment. Alright, I hope you understand this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.